If you want to change the wallpaper on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is you need to go to settings, scroll down a little bit, and then we need to find the personalization option. Now in here, if you scroll down, you can immediately find a bunch of different wallpapers that we can use. We even have some super wallpapers, and that are pretty much a like a combination of a lock screen, home screen, and always on a display setup. So you can try them out. We also have some system wallpapers. We can tap on more on the right side in order to find more different examples. We can also tap on find more in order to open the store with different wallpapers that we can pretty much get for free. So once you find a wallpaper that you wish to set up, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and then we can choose if you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. In my case, I'm gonna set it for both. And there we go, we have the preview of the home screen and the lock screen. In this case, it seems to be blurred, but of course we can disable the blur if we don't want it to be applied. And of course, in the case of lock screen, we have the depth effect and the effects option as well. And in case you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can easily do that just like that. You can use two fingers in order to change the position of the wallpaper. So let's say we're gonna slightly adjust the wallpaper just like that. And we're going to tap on apply in the upper right corner. In this case, we are asked if you want to use wallpaper carousel as well. In my case, I don't really like this feature, so I'm going to turn it off. Disagree. And there we go, we have a new wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.